Hello everyone and welcome to the Ziidi Trader course. My name's Caleb Nyangao and I'm a trader. Now if you're here, you've come a very far place, meaning you want to improve your lifestyle, you want to learn more about the financial markets, and you want to get a little bit of understanding about financial literacy and how it can help you in life and get you to further point of where you aspire to be in life, whatever you want to achieve. The stock market is definitely the right place to be. Everywhere around the world, most people make a lot of their money through the stock market, but many people don't understand this. For many years, many people have believed it's really segregated only to the wealthy people, to the rich people, but that's not what the stock market is all about. The stock market is for you and me. Anyone who's aspiring, who wants to achieve better in life, this course is for you. Myself, I've been a trader for the last almost 10 years now. I remember I started trading in the financial markets in 2016, right about when Trump became president the first time. And there was a lot of things in the market that I didn't understand. And unfortunately for me, I didn't have anyone to guide me or show me the ropes of what I need to know, what I need to understand about the financial markets. So I was thrown directly into the ocean, not even the deep end, the ocean itself. And I had to swim and find my ways and navigate my ways to understand this financial market. Now I'm here with Ziidi Trader team to simplify this. I want to make it easier for you. We just launched Ziidi Trader app the other day under the Safaricom app, My One app. So once you get access to that, you'll get access to the stock markets from anywhere and any place you are. So why start now? The reason now is the best time to start is because recently, and I'm sure many of you saw, and if you didn't see it, just know that recently we had one of the biggest IPOs in Kenya. And those words that I'll throw about here and there, don't get too confused about them. We'll explain them in the course. But not long ago, we had the KPC, which is Kenya Pipeline Company IPO, which happened the other day, and many of you participated in it. And the last time we had a big IPO as that was Safaricom back in 2008. And many of you back then, maybe you weren't born, some have been born, or maybe you are really young, so you didn't participate in it. But also for the older generation, most of you participated in it, but things have changed. Technology has evolved. A lot of things have changed, in that the market has become accessible to you and me through the Ziidi Trader app. And that's what we're going to teach you in this course. So by the end of this course, a few objectives just to get it clear for you to understand. By the end of this course, you'll understand and you'll know how to explain what a stock is and why companies are listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, in short, NSE. You'll also be able to name and describe half of the 60 companies listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. You'll also be able to read the basic stock price chart and understand price movement, because every single day the prices are always moving, so you'll get to understand that. You'll also understand stock trading terminologies. What is a bull market? What is a bear market? What is bid? What is an ask price? You'll understand all these financial jargons that look so hard at first, but they're really simple at the end of this course. You'll also be able to open and navigate the Ziidi Trader app using your M-Pesa account. So anyone with M-Pesa account, you have access to the stock market at your fingertips. You'll be able to buy and sell shares on the NSE through Ziidi Trader. We'll explain this in a later video, but before that, it was really tedious to get access to the stock market. And that's why many people believed it wasn't a market for me. It wasn't a market you can participate in, because there was a lot of paperwork, there was a lot of compliance that you had to follow, but that has been sorted for you by the Ziidi Trader app, which now gives you access from anywhere as long as you have an M-Pesa account. You'll be able to read and interpret your own portfolio. You'll be able to understand your gains, your losses, dividends. You'll see this on a daily basis on the Ziidi Trader. You'll also be able to apply basic stock selection to evaluate your investments. You'll understand things like dividends, book closure, ex-dividends, dividend yield. Basically understand how to read company financials. That's one of the most important things you should know coming into the stock market trading. You don't just wake up and take your phone and start trading. Now that is where we start saying there's a difference between investing and gambling. If you just open your phone and start trading, you're basically doing the same thing other people do. You're gambling in the financial markets. But once you go through this course, you'll have a financial acumen to understand how to read company financials and build your own portfolio. You'll also be able to build and maintain a diversified stock portfolio. There are different types of stocks, and we'll talk about this later in the course. There are things we call growth stocks, there's dividend stocks, there's defensive stocks. We are going to talk all about that. We'll also talk about the different sectors in the market. When you're talking about companies, we segregate them in different sections. We are talking about banking sector, agriculture sector, manufacturing sector, telecommunication sector, and many others. You'll also be able to manage, and this is one of the fun parts, that it's going to be a bit of a roller coaster, but you're going to be able to manage your emotions in trading, understanding your risk profile. What is your risk appetite? We're going to talk about that both for the long term and for the short term. You'll also be able to create a 12-month investment plan. Now, they always say a good plan is better than no plan. You always have to get into the financial market with a plan. It's a financial game you're getting into. You have to have a plan. Any game, any things you watch, if it's sports, football, NFL, anything you get into, there's always a plan before you get invested. So the same thing with this one, you're going to have an investment time frame. What is your risk profile so that it fits you personally? You can't come and copy mine. You always have to create your own personal plan and trade your plan. And last but not least, for those guys who are interested in the technical analysis, we'll have a bonus feature where we're going to bring the charts. Okay, many people don't get deep into this, but if you want to look at the charts, understand how the markets are going up, going down on your screen, we're also going to get deeper into those, show you a few strategies, a few buying and selling strategies that you can utilize here for the short term and for the long term. And I hope you're excited for that. And a little disclaimer. As you go through the course, don't expect my partner and I to give you signals and tell you buy Safaricom, sell Safaricom, buy equity, sell KCB. No. This is simply and mainly for educational purposes. It's not a signal platform. It's not any platform where we're going to be telling you buy and sell. We're going to teach you how to understand the stock markets here in Kenya, and slowly as we advance, we're also going to teach you globally and how you can get invested and diversify your stock portfolio. So that's it from me in this episode, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one.
Pesa Smart na Ziidi Trader. Invest in shares on the Nairobi Securities Exchange with Ziidi Trader ndani ya My One app.
Share prices may fluctuate, resulting in partial or incomplete capital loss. Safaricom does not endorse specific shares. Fees apply. Ziidi Trader, powered by M-Pesa.